How to cancel EA Play. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets EA tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your EA Play or EA Play Pro subscription. So if you're getting charged for EA Play and you no longer want to get charged for it, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to cancel EA Play. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. And while I'll be performing these steps on a computer, you can perform the same steps in your browser on your iPhone or Android phone. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to eaplay.com. Check the description. I'll have a direct link down there, so you can just copy and paste it. Once you get to eaplay.com, go up into the top right and select the person icon, and then select sign in. Go ahead and sign into your account. Once you sign in, go up in the top right, select your profile icon, and then go down and select account settings. Now, because we have EA Play in the left menu here, we'll see EA Play. We have the option to change the payment method if we want to, maybe change it to a credit card or a PayPal account. To cancel our EA Play membership, all we need to do is select cancel this membership, scroll down, select continue, and as you can see right here, this is when our membership will end. So for me, that's the 21st. Select continue. You can answer any of these questions if you want to, but you don't have to. So just go to the bottom, select cancel membership, and there you go. You have now canceled your EA Play membership. All right, so that's how you cancel your EA Play membership. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more EA Play tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.